A perfect little home, just as I've always imagined. Every great home starts with a strong foundation.
What are you building, Tabby?
My dream home, Bird. For me, and hopefully for friends.
It looks like a grand plan.
Every piece, big or small, plays its part.
You're so good at this, Tabby.
See? Teamwork makes the dream work.
It's really looking like a home now. That leaf is perfect for the roof, Tabby. Steady, everyone. Almost there. Look, there's the problem. The main support beam is cracked right here.
Perfect. Now the house is truly complete.
Strong as ever, boss. Even nature loves your home.
It's not just my home anymore. It's ours.
That wind feels different.
Storm clouds from the north. We'll be fine. Our roof's strong. Should we prepare? Just in case?
Good idea. Let's secure everything.
We built this together. We'll protect it together. It's stronger than before. Stay calm, everyone. The fence is cracking.
Forget the fence. Get inside now.
Close the door, quick!
Will the roof hold?
It has to.
Water! We've got a leak! I'll fix it. Hand me that leaf. Not today, Storm. Not my home.
It's getting dark.
This storm won't scare us. The back wall's breaking! Hold it steady!
Will it ever stop?
It will. All storms pass, little friend.